Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm in the township of Red Bank in New Jersey, and here you see the beautiful view of river Navesink. I'm here to have dinner at a special place. I will take you there in a moment. This is a place famous for the seafood delicacies, and I'm here to have lobster dinner. It's a busy place, so they told us it's a wait. Don't mind waiting because it's such a beautiful day out. We will go inside in a moment. And this is a view from inside the restaurant. You can see the beautiful river, and we are waiting for our food. So this is a lobster roll with sweet potato fries, and it also comes with a dip. Oh, so good. And I'm also going to have a boiled lobster. It comes with a corn on cob and home fries, and it is also served with clarified butter. So yummy and oh so good. It's already a sunset. I really had a good time here. Food was great, and it will be a good idea to take a walk near the riverside. And I'm going to show you the place we had the dinner from here. It's a small building with big windows. Good place. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. I'm going to sit here for a while. It's a long drive back home, about an hour from here. So I hope you like the vlog. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.